Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to brighten up your aquarium, you're in the right place today. Yes, I'll show a top aquarium show or an expo in Goa which was held in Vasco, that is Fish Tunnel Expo. This was a diverse exhibition with wide range of aquariums, from small home setups to the large public installations, featuring colorful fishes, corals, and other aquatic creatures. These fishes were not only beautiful, but they made the tank look amazing. Whether you are an experienced fish keeper or just getting started, then these colorful fishes will inspire you to create a stunning aquarium. So, let's dive and check what all was there in the Fish Tunnel Expo. The Fish Tunnel Expo typically refers to an event or an exhibition focused on aquaculture, marine life, and related industries. Aquaculture is nothing but a farming of aquatic organisms including fish, molluscs, aquatic plants, etc. It showcases innovations, products, and practices in fish farming, aquatic biology, and sustainable fishing. This one was open to public, so there were lots of people including children. This expo also had amusement activities and shopping as well. As you can see in my video, there were lots of amusing activities wherein children were playing and enjoying the Fish Tunnel Expo, shopping as well as amusement activities. Attendees for such kind of expos often include industry professionals, researchers, enthusiastic learners who learn about advancements and networks with others in the field. But since this one was especially for the public, it was open to everyone, including amusement activities for children to play, enjoy, and fulfill their wish. In my further part of video, you can clearly watch all the different kinds of fishes and details regarding them. As we all know, amusement park is a journey of joy and wonder. Visiting the one is often a rite of passage for many families and individuals, representing a unique blend of thrill, adventure, and nostalgia. The moment you step through the entrance, the atmosphere buzzes with excitement. Colorful decorations, lively music, and tantalizing smell of food through the air sets the stage for an excitement evening filled with joy. For children, the highlights of amusement park is undoubtedly the rides. Small children are often captivated by attractions designed specifically for them, such as miniature train rides and so on. The delight in their eyes as they experience their first ride is a moment to cherish. The shared experience of overcoming fear and enjoying the thrill with friends and family strengthens the bond and create lasting memories. If you enjoy reading, obviously, you would love to buy your books from this place. Yes, as you can see, there were lots of books by so many authors. All different kinds of books were available for you people to buy. There were lots of children enjoying their tiny train journey. There was boating also for small children. So this was that one thing wherein I have seen children enjoying to their fullest. As I already told you in the beginning of my videos that there were home decors which will give your home a rich look. There were also cupboards, wardrobes, sofa sets, these slippers, leather one, and many more things. I have heard a lot about this book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. Let me know if you people have finished reading this book in my comment box. Is there any girl who doesn't love ornaments? Yes, this section is definitely for girls. Can you see those oxidized earrings with different shapes, colors, size? And as I already told you, there were sofa sets also in the affordable price. This part of home decors was my favorite. I loved it because they looked more like antiques, which will give your home a royal look as well as a rich one. Can you see these small dining set kind of things? Yes, obviously not for eating food, but at least you can keep in your lawns, have tea and enjoy the evening. I really loved this place and enjoyed a lot because there was everything here. You had fun, you had food to eat, you could buy things, you could do shopping for your home, for your personal things. You could see varieties of fishes, those lightnings, those small children enjoying, people, these tiny fishes, the colorful ones, everything was mesmerizing. So, here we are again back to the fantastic world of fish.